Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar Baramati. Today we are going to discuss regarding the crop sunflower. Now see, sunflower is one of the oil seed crop. That means most of the edible oil and the quality edible oil is prepared from sunflower. Helianthus anus is a botanical name of sunflower. Family Compositae. Origin United States and Mexico. Okay. Remember that botanical name of sunflower is mostly and frequently asked in exam. Then the economic importance or economic uses of sunflower in that it is a most important oil producing crop in a temperate country. That means where is the climate that means temperature where the temperature goes below the 20 degrees Celsius. It contains 42 to 50% oil in the seed. It used in the industry of paints, varnishes, soaps, vanaspati ghee. That means in Marathi dalda, vanaspati ghee. Oil cake contain 40 to 44% high quality protein. That means oil cake. That means in Marathi paint. Okay, sunflower suryafolachi paint. Then it is used in poultry feed and livestock irrigation also. Used to manufacture of baby foods. Oil of sunflower contain linoleic acid. This contain nearly about 64%. Okay, that means totally cholesterol free. Then preparatory tillage operations. It require well pulverized and weed free land. Also it require one deep plowing and 3 to 4 crisscross wise harrowing. Collect all stones, stubbles and dirt matter from the field. Level the land if it is necessary. And at last add 5 to 6 ton per hectare well rotted FOM and prepare the proper land. Season. Actually sunflower is grown throughout the year in all season, in Rabi, summer, Kharif, in all season. In Kharif it is grown in the month of June, July. In Rabi it is grown in the month of October, November. And in summer it is grown in the month of January, February. Then sowing method, drilling and dibbling, these are the two sowing methods, important sowing methods. Especially dibbling, the plant population is maintained properly in dibbling method, but it is not possible in large scale, so that in large scale or in commercially drilling method is mostly followed due to the scarcity of labor. Seed rate is also vary according to the regular variety and hybrid variety. For regular variety it should be 7 to 8 kg per hectare, and for hybrid variety the seed rate should be 5 to 6 kg per hectare. And the depth of sowing is kept 5 to 6 centimeter deep. Seed treatment is also necessary. Pre-soaking treatment, that means pre-soaking in water treatment is necessary for better germination. Then fungicide treatment, that means Thyram at the rate 3 gram per kg seeds is necessary. And as a biofertilizer, Azotobacter at the rate 25 gram per kg seed are necessary. Okay, this is all about the seed and sowing of sunflower. It is the most important part of seed and sowing. Season, sowing time, sowing method, seed rate, depth of sowing and seed treatment. Then ecology, that means the soil and climate for sunflower. Soil, it require well drained soil. Soil should be good water holding capacity. Sunflower can be cultivated from light soil to heavy clay soil. And the optimum pH range, that means average pH range, should be between 6.5 to 8.5. Okay. Then climate. Sunflower actually it is grown throughout the year in any season. But tropical climate is most favorable for sunflower. It is a drought resistance crop. Optimum temperature range for its growth 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. That means the very temperature range. Average annual rainfall 200 up to the 750 mm. The average annual rainfall is necessary for sunflower. Then the different improved and hybrid varieties of sunflower in that modern SS56, Bhanu, Surya, Sunrise Selection, Phule Raviraj. These are the some important varieties of sunflower crop. And in case of manures and fertilizers, organic manure, FIM or any other organic manure, compost, whatever, rural compost, urban compost, 3 ton per hectare is necessary. And the fertilizer dose, that means chemical dose for rainfed crop, 50 as to 25 as to 25 NPK kg per hectare is necessary. And for irrigated, 60 30 30 NPK kg per hectare is necessary. And this whole fertilizer dose should be distributed into 2 or 3 split doses. Then irrigation, sunflower require 2 to 3 irrigations, and the total water requirement is 30 to 35 hectare centimeter. The important critical stages of sunflower are a seedling stage, capitulum stage, and flowering and grain filling stage. That means if the scarcity of water, then you can apply the irrigation only at these critical growth stages. Okay, you can see here the life cycle of sunflower. When you sown the seed, it germinate. Then seedling, it is one of the critical growth stages. Then proper vegetative stage of plant, and this is the flowering stage of sunflower. And at last, this one is a capitulum formation. That means head formation stage. Okay, this is a critical growth stages, which are sensitive to the water. Then intertillage to hoeing are necessary. Hand pollination is required. Hand pollination, that means rubbing of 2 heads of sunflowers on each other is necessary for the better pollinations. That means transfer of anther from one plant to another plants, and increase the pollination rate in sunflower. So that hand pollination, that means rubbing is necessary. Then hand weeding for weed control, and chemical weed control. If the intensity of weed is maximum, then you can follow this. Then harvesting, the crop is ready for harvest after 90 to 100 days after sowing. The crop is harvested when the grain is fully developed. The moisture should be 20% at the time of harvesting. Cut the whole plant from the ground level with the help of sharp sickle is necessary. Separate the head from the plants. Rubbing should be done by machine or by hand. And the yield of sunflower, for rain-fed, the yield should be yield obtained 8 to 10 quintal per hectare, and in irrigated condition 15 to 20 quintal per hectare, and for hybrid 12 to 15 quintal per hectare. This yield obtained from the sunflower. Okay, these are the all package of practices and cultivation regarding the sunflower crop. If you have any problem in sunflower cultivation, then you can contact me. Thank you so much, student.